All right, I just successfully took my angle grinder and cut this in half. All right, and I can already see what we suspect. Thank God we saw it when we did, because that would have been a very, very, very expensive mistake. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Thursday, November 10th, 2022. We're back. Remember this place? Today, this morning, we're gonna spend maybe about 45 minutes to an hour here. We're gonna install the Uponor 1/2-inch expansion packs in the flooring. That's gonna be used for the Hydronic radiant heat. Let's get going. Okay, here we go. So we'll do, I guess maybe like 4 inches off this wall and then every 10? Okay. Sounds about right? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna set this to 10. Let's do 4. Go back a little bit more. 4 is right about there. Good. Perfect. All right, now 10. We're not putting in the shower. Against my wishes. 10? A little bit more. Good? Right there. Okay. You gotta refill it every time. The chalk snaps away. 10. Good. Okay. All right, here's all our lines. We'll come in here, wrap around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back in. Easy peasy. All right, let's get the show on the road. So, right in there, that's these stupid Mickey Mouses. They gave the wrong ones. It's about the same off the wall. Okay. And let's get another one right there. Okay. Godzilla wishes he was here throwing me Scooby snacks. Let's, you know what, let's turn right there, actually. Let me just put another one right here, so we have nice straight lines. Good. Now, and let's just come straight across, and then we'll start turning. Right there. Okay, let's go that way. Let's go. Stay right there. Beautiful. Okay. Put one there. Another one right. Oh, wrong one. Wrong direction. Right there. Okay. More Scooby snacks. Hold on. Seven and a half. There. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go for this line right there. More Scooby snacks. Okay. So, as you guys can see in the video, we like to snap lines with chalk. I do every 10 inches on center for 1/2 inch pecs. Then, using my foot to stretch the length of pecs from that side to this side, and you know, it's a 2-person job. If I had that roller thing, I guess it could be a 1-person job, but it is a 2-person job. Peter's now stapling down, hammering down the talons. We'll get this job done. We're halfway done. Let's see. Oh, what happens here? What do you think? Think we can make it back and around one more time? Nah, I think we're pushing it.
You got enough. I mean, you have 2 tours.
We also went around here and went to there. It is the furthest run, but I like to make them both even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. All right. I'm fine with that. We good. All right. Proceed to hammer, but that's a problem. This pressed elbow started to leak while we were installing the pecs. Tubing cutter, 2 1/2 inch press 90s, scratchy paper, deburring tool, 90-degree elbow. Okay, the water's already off. And you forgot the other hole right. Oh, we're gonna take a grinder and cut this out.
Yeah. Thanks.
Oh, actually, there's some damage right. It was a shadow. What are you doing? Press.
Couple.
See, now you're cutting twice. What?
I wasn't in all the way.
You weren't in all the way?
I don't think.
We're gonna find out. That's a fire truck right outside. Peter, you gotta cut this back more, right? You gotta cut this back a little bit more. That way you can fit some pipe there between the elbow and the 2 couplings, right? And everything's still nice and even. All right, we got a couple more things left to do. A couple stud guards. Let me act like a monkey. Like this. Right up there. Bingo. Bingo. Got my stud guards everywhere. Our PEX is done. Fix the leak. And stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how that failed and why Mike was here almost all day re-roughing these two. All right, I just successfully took my angle grinder and cut this in half. All right, and I can already see what we suspect was that it was not pressed in deep enough. All right, you can see right there. Ow, fuck, shit's hot. Right there. It was not in deep enough. The other mic. See, there's the crimp. Right there. Was not in deep enough. Michael. See, there's that one. Ow. Fuck, shit's hot. Ow, it's hot. See, there was this. This one was right there. And there's the O-ring. There's this half of this O-ring. And there's this half, well, that complete O-ring. And there's the other half right there. See that? I cut it in half. Thank God we saw it when we did. Because that would have been a very, very, very expensive mistake.
Yeah, bathroom.
I now want you to make sure we, well, not just you, everyone, we're now going to mark for depthness all of our fittings before we press it. Okay? That's our new rule. It applies for everyone. Because that would have destroyed a $250,000 bathroom. Well, not really the whole bathroom, but we would have had to make the repair after years from now, or maybe months from now, when the ceiling below showed, you know, some wetness, and then would be digging upwards and then pulling out the closet system that's going to be put in place. And it's not going to be a cheap closet system, but capiche?